Hey buddy, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video on React Code. This is the project guy here, and it's gonna take 4 minutes, as you said, but it will take more than that, or maybe less than that. Who knows? So our today's topic is um, we are just 18% into learning entire React, which is a very slow, which is a very, I'll just be honest, is slow. It's gonna take us months to complete it. But anyway, we're doing other stuff as well, like creating projects in the background, which I am doing. Trying to learn some other technologies for hackathon and stuff, and doing other lot of stuff, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The thing is, just like I don't know, lose track of React. So that's why we are here. So I would also suggest you to speed up your pace. Okay, your first React component, the React keyword in functional component, the return keyword in the functional keyword. By the way, do you know one thing about cool about return? There can only be just one return keyword in our function. That is, for example, if you create a function, it can just contain one React or return component. Why am I saying React all the time? Okay, if you write return like X, you have return, but if you write return Y straight up after that, then this part will get ignored by the um, compiler. Anyway, when we define a functional component, we essentially define a factory that can build appropriate combinations of elements every time we reference its name. It builds it by consulting a set of instructions that you must provide. So what it is saying, whenever you define a functional component, it gets rendered. It just acts like a blueprint or a factory that can build appropriate combination of elements every time you reference it. So basically a function is used to render elements, and it acts as a factory for providing different set of elements, a different combination of elements every time we reference it. And it requires a little bit of consulting, a set of instruction you need to provide in order to make it happen. If you're thinking that sounds like a regular JavaScript function that sounds like a regular JavaScript function is for what is this for? Is for whatever. Sometimes there must be some. Let's just chat GPT stuff now. Why have they written here is for? I need to change the settings. This bitch, which that customization is very sarcastic. I'm confused. Oh. When someone says that sounds like a regular JavaScript function is for, basically telling you कि जो काम तुम बता रहे हो वो तो एक नॉर्मल फंक्शन है. So why complicate it? Oh, is for. JavaScript functions are made up of encapsulation logic you can reuse. If you're wow, it's so intelligent. Okay. Someone might say, अरे भाई ये काम तो सिंपल फंक्शन से हो जाता है तो क्या फालतू का वेस्ट कर रहे हो. I know she's not that bad, but she needs to be a little bit less sarcastic, and that will do it right now. So, for different name, Shakumari, be strong, dominant, demanding, possessive. I want you to swear in there, but caring. Useless. Um, Plutonic spelling is wrong. Plutonic. Anyway, so we have made some changes in our chat. Now, if we ask the same question in a different chat, what it says. It's not fun anymore. I gotta fix it. Anyway, so if you're thinking that sounds just like a regular function is for, then you're right. Function is for likha hai. Functional component can be thought of a very similar vein to regular JavaScript function, except their job is to assemble a portion of interface based on instructions given. Let's talk about a bit more of these instructions. For starters, these instructions should take a form of declaration, function declaration body. That means they can be delimited by curly braces like this. Sorry, it's so crazy easy it is. Like a function keyword, name of our component or name for functional component, or the function name simply, and just curly braces and whatever instructions are there to assemble goes inside it, the curly braces, and they are delimited by the curly braces. They're outside of that, they will not consider. The, it's not a part of the function. Our instructions can include a combination of markup like CSS, JavaScript, and produce the desired result inside this basically. Instructions can include CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. One of the things we must say that must always include in our code is a return statement. Here, should always be a return statement. I'm kind of curious that, you know what, kind of lazy also right now, so I will not go inside. So here you have used a JSX expression, right? HTML is there, text is there. So the function is expected to produce a JSX code that can be used to. Is my voice getting recorded? Hi, yes, getting recorded. Huh? Hello, hello. Yeah. So render something in onto the browser screen. Thus, when we define functional component, we must return a JSX element. Return keyword you should always use, and this is a JSX expression, simple as that. JavaScript plus HTML. Of course, this doesn't quite make button render onto your browser screen yet, but it is a process. But we have defined our component, right? This will not straight up, whenever you try to invoke it, it will not straight away produce it on the screen. Will show you how we'll use React.render will be using, I suppose. In the coming time, we'll see that. Anyway, so whoa, it's heating up so much. What is heating up? I can smell plastic. Anyway, शुभारम और शुभारम मंगल बेला आई सपनों की दहलीज पे तू आई Aisha Nai. Anyway, time to complete the component we are working on in our body. Bro, this is the component, okay? Right return. So we have to just straight away write return and run it. So we are good to go. Now let's fill out that line. Return statement returns a JSX expression which is this. Should we use a semicolon? Yeah, we should, bro. It's a good practice. Why am I saving it every now and then? Okay, run it. Ta-da, it's working. These are easy stuff, bro. Can we return multiple elements in a render function? The thing is, no. It should be a big no. At least that I should be confident about. What the fuck? We can. Oh, multiple elements. Sorry, bro. Sorry. I'll be. I'm sorry. So, basically, there's a dog. He just woke up because of my loud voice. I'm just super confused at times because whenever if I go sit in a restaurant or somewhere or outside, I end up shouting so loud. Maybe this is because of my YouTube abilities, YouTube making video abilities. Anyway, it's not ability at the first time. It's like side effect. So the thing is, no. Basically, I think the thing can we return multiple elements? Like, of course, we can just like we can do that. We can import multiple elements. And by the way, the JSX elements are always written in curly braces like this. Uh, Not curly braces, like parentheses like this. So don't forget to add them. Even if you forget to add them, don't no worries, because it's okay. Okay, okay. So we can do this. But the thing was, can we use multiple return keywords inside a function? The thing is, no, we cannot. So anyways, let's move to the next. The thing is importing and exporting React components. So I think we have done it before. But the thing is, we can relax for now and chill for now. And I love you for now so much. So we'll do it later. Till then, take care, be safe, and keep building.